Hi, and welcome back to my kitchen. We are going to put together today a very simple meal, okay? One pot meal. I love them. You know, I'm the one pot queen. Okay. I've got eggplant. See? Eggplant. Peppers, a few mushrooms. We're going to make eggplant pasta. That's what we're making. Very easy to put together. So, let me cut this one up and get it out of my, get it ready. I was going to say get it out of my hair. Yeah, get it out of my hair. But let's get it ready. I just need it cut in cubes. Miley, you're not going outside. It's too hot. Okay? Too hot for you. No. She's crying that she wants to go outside. I can't let her out. Today happens to be one of the hottest days ever. With the humididex right now with the humididex, it feels like 45 Celsius. It's not happening. Okay. Okay, let me get my what's it called? My garlic ready. So we're gonna put my Dutch oven on. Put a little bit of oil. Okay, not too much oil, because what happens is hold on a second. Hey Alexa, shut front door.
Okay, stopping the camera stream.
Thank you. Okay, what happens is if you put too much oil all at one time, the eggplant is like a sponge. It will just soak it all up and then it becomes mushy. I don't want my eggplant to be mushy, okay? So, put a little bit of oil. If we need extra oil, we'll put it in later. Okay, in the meantime, let's put our water on to boil. Okay, for the pasta. So as we're waiting on that, we're gonna cook this up. So I turned the oil on. I'm just waiting for that to warm up. And then we're gonna put all our ingredients, which is the eggplant, some bell pepper. I put a mix of yellow and red bell pepper and just a couple of mushrooms. That's it. And then we'll put in our store-bought sauce today, and some salt, pepper, and just a little bit of the crushed red pepper. Okay. And of course, you guys know already, I don't know how to cook for 2 or 3 people. I always have to cook for like an army. Actually, you know what? Sometimes I don't mind, depending on what I'm making. But sometimes I don't mind it having a lot, like having a little bit of leftovers, because then that means I don't have to cook tomorrow. That means tomorrow we just warm this up And dinner's ready. I love it. I mean, I like cooking, but I need a break too. Yeah, I do. I need a break too. So, let's add our salt. Which reminds me, a little bit of salt in the water for the pasta. Okay. Some black pepper. You know, I might have to get myself one of those electric. Don't they have an electric pepper mill? Where you just push the button? Instead of doing this. I think I gotta look into that. This takes probably about, I'd say, 5-7 minutes. Okay. And then at the 7-minute mark, we're going to throw in a couple of those oh my gosh, like what the hell? A couple of the garlic cloves. I guess that I just got so much on my plate this week. Oh, you know when they say when it rains it pours? Yeah, okay. Well, my fridge decided to stop working. Or actually, it works halfway. I gotta turn the cold right to maximum to get a little bit of cold air in the fridge. The freezer is done. So, anyways, I ordered a new fridge. That's not coming till Friday. Okay, so now we could add a touch more oil because I don't want it to stick on the bottom. Beautiful. Now, I would consider this a vegetarian pasta dish. There is no meat. Olive oil, the veggies, the garlic, the tomato sauce, and the pasta. There you go. I usually don't cook vegetarian style, but guess what? Today I am. So, let's put the garlic. Just imagine with the sauce. Oh my God. That smells amazing. So, I'm going to use the store-bought sauce today. I'm going to use a marinara sauce. Marinara sauce. That's what I'm going to use today. Oh my gosh. Okay, you gonna pop or what? Oh. Okay. The original recipe, when I first got this recipe and made it the first time, that's what it called for. The person who invented this recipe, they put in the marinara sauce. So I mean, you can change it around, and they also put in olive oil, olives, which I love olives. I would have loved to put them in here, but my son does not like olives, so I had to omit the olives. And instead of the olives, what I did was I put in a couple of the mushrooms. Okay. I'm gonna put this down to medium, and I'm gonna add the marinara sauce. Beautiful. Oh, this kind of reminds me of ratatouille. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. And the smell is amazing. Just amazing. Okay, and that's it. We're just gonna let that simmer now for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna turn that right down to low and just let it simmer for about 15 minutes. And by that time, my pasta will be ready. The pasta, make sure that you cook it al dente, okay? Because then you're gonna mix everything into here with the cheese. I'll be right back. Okay, our sauce is all ready. You see? Beautiful. With the peppers, the eggplant, and a couple of nice big mushrooms. Really good. Smells amazing. So now we got the pasta ready. I'm gonna throw that pasta right in there. I already drained it. I left just a little bit of the pasta water. And then mix that all up nice. Okay, as I'm mixing, let me add a little bit of the red chili flakes. That is optional, okay? We like a little bit of spice, so I add it. If I was having company over that I know they're not into the heat, I won't put it in. You can put it in your own plate and done. This, oh my God. This smells amazing. Okay, Now we're gonna add a little bit of cheese, grated Parmesan. It always tastes better when you add it right to the pot and stir it in. And that's it. A nice, oh, let me shut this fan off. That is what you call eggplant pasta. That's it. It took me probably 20 minutes to put it all together. Now we're gonna plate it. Look at that. Put another little bit of cheese. Ta-da! Dinner's on the table. Just like that. Nice and healthy meal. Cheers.